Hi, my name is Billy Cockrum. I'm the Director of Operations here at Almighty Green. And what I'm going to do today is just demonstrate the effectiveness of our non-toxic biodegradable product in relating to cleaning oil off of machinery and parts. Typically what you see in this type of industrial setting here is acetone-based products, brake clean, and similar products of the like. But what we're going to show you today is a greener way to clean, a non-toxic way to clean. Our products don't contain any cancer-causing or birth defect-causing agents, and they're extremely powerful, as you'll see. So what I'm going to start off with here is we have two products here. This is our heavier grade product, and this is our lighter grade product for various uses depending on the situations that are faced out there in the field. So what I'm going to start off with is cleaning part here. It's pretty caked with grease and residue, some dirt, things of that nature. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to start cleaning it with our lighter grade product. Okay? So it's real simple, just like any other cleaning application. You just spray the product on. And what I'm going to show you first is just how our product begins to break down oils. And what you got to know about our product is that water activates it as well. So I'll add a little bit of water here. A little bit more product. This is our lighter grade solution. And as you can see, I mean, it's starting to break it down with my finger, but obviously we're not going to be cleaning with our hands. So I got just a regular grade scouring pad. And it just simply removes it. No heavy scrubbing needed. And it's residue free. No fumes, no toxic fumes while you're cleaning. It eliminates the amount of time spent cleaning, taking parts to different stations, getting them rinsed off, rinsing off the excess residues. So you save time and cost and labor. Extremely easy. No one has to take a break because of the volatile fumes. And there you have it. Almighty Green at its lighter, our lighter grade formula, easily removing the grease off this part. And what I'm going to demonstrate to you here, how water and oil don't mix. And when you add our product to oil, you'll see how the oil begins to disperse and how our product affects oil in terms of changing its structure, if you will. So what I'm going to start with here is just adding a little bit of water to this bowl. Just a little bit, not too much. And what we have here is just some dirty motor oil from an oil change. It's pretty dark. I mean, its fumes are pretty strong. So we'll just add a little bit of that to the water. And as you can see there, oil and water don't mix. And so what we're going to take here is our Almighty Green heavier grade formula and introduce it to the oil. And you can see it begin to break it up. It's already breaking it down into smaller particles. And as you can see, the carbon chains are being broken. This is just happening within minutes of introducing the product to the oil. Now after 24 hours, this is usually what oil looks like. As you notice, it's not nearly as thick here in the bottle. It resembles a cup of coffee when you add cream to it, but it's actually even a little bit more transparent than that. And that's how our heavier grade industrial product affects oil. And what we have before us today is a heavy piece of equipment with 80 weight gear oil mixed with some dirt. And some of the guys around the shop have said that once you mix some of this gear oil with dirt, I mean, it's stuck on there like glue. And so what we're going to do is we're going to take some of our industrial grade heavier cleaner and remove that heavy gear oil and dirt from this piece of equipment. Please keep in mind that our product is non-toxic and biodegradable. It also doesn't contain any cancer-causing or birth defect-causing agents in it. And what you'll be able to see is the powerful cleaning action that our green product demonstrated here on this heavy piece of equipment. The 80 weight gear oil, you know, mixed with the dirt. We got some sand here. I mean, this stuff is almost like tar. And so what we typically do is, because water activates our formula, I'll prep the area with just a little bit of water so that our product can really penetrate this nasty mess. And here I have my heavier grade Almighty Green formula here in hand, and we'll begin cleaning. And what we typically do is we always spray with the mist. We found that the mist just penetrates the areas a lot better. Now I'm going to start off, I'm going to be brave here, and I'm going to start off with just a normal scouring pad that you can find in your kitchen. Let's just see what it does. Now we're scrubbing here. Now this stuff is pretty caked on, but as we keep going here, we're getting closer and closer to that surface. We'll add a little bit more cleaner, maybe a little bit more water, and you can already see it. Just by spraying that water, you can already see the spot beginning to develop. It's already breaking it up. It's already cleaning it up. And I have to remind you, it's non-toxic. You save in labor cost. Guys don't have to worry about fumes. They don't have to worry about skin burning, things of that nature. Now I'm gonna clean this whole thing. I know this is a little bit longer than most people like, but I want you guys to really see the difference here. Okay, add a little bit of water just for the final rinse off. Let me grab just my regular shop towel, microfiber towel, buy it anywhere. Take a look at that. No oily residue, no residue left. Now, what we've been told by fleet managers and shop managers alike is that because there is no residue, what you could do is you could begin repainting your equipment if need be, or repainting pipelines to make it look good. So whatever the application is, the equipment's ready to paint and restore. All right, now you've seen our heavier grade solution in action here on this spot. But I thought we'd challenge it a little bit. We challenged the formula a little bit. I'm gonna take our lighter grade solution. I'm gonna clean a similar area. As you can see, it's still caked on with the 80 weight gear oil and dirt just as much there. Pretty nasty, but now I'm gonna take our lighter grade solution and see how it performs against our heavier one in this situation. Prep the area with some water. And now, the lighter grade solution. Our scouring pad. And look at that, it just starts lifting it right off. Look at that. One of the guys here in the shop mentioned after we got through cleaning just that little part that typically, he says, I'd much rather just send it off to be cleaned than to clean it myself. So you could imagine, and he's been in the business for about 30, 40 years. Just take a little water. I mean, the water just begins to remove it. So I'll take my microfiber towel. This is our lighter grade formula. This is our heavier grade, so you can imagine the savings in cost with our line of products. Workers' hands get extremely dirty working in this environment. You're handling greasy tools and repairing machinery, and your hands get dirty. And so what I'd like to show you is how our product also can clean oil just off your guys' hands. So there we have the oil all on my hand. Pretty nasty, pretty dirty. Spray a little bit of water. As you can see, the water is not mixing with the oil at all. Take some of our product, just like a regular hand soap, and look at how it just dissipates the oil. Look at how it just breaks it down, almost turns it like mustard. Add a little bit of water as a final rinse. take our towel here, swipe them off. And just imagine, obviously, if you're in a bathroom, you got warm water. Again, activates the product, makes the process even easier. And this is what's left after washing your hands with Almighty Green.